Hello friends, welcome to the Tatizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 byte and Dark Base 701 byte series. So friend, German manufacturer Be Quiet introduced wide version of high-end PC cases, the Dark Base Pro 901 byte and Dark Base 701 byte. These cases features innovative attributes including support for inverted layouts, enhanced airflow, subtle ARGB lighting, and a strong emphasis on usability, maintaining a hallmark quality and engineering excellence of the original black models. And friend, the Dark Beast Pro 901 byte Pro prioritizes silence and performance optimization with interchangeable panels for the top and front, facilitating effortless installation of radiators and fans through detachable brackets equipped with the fan hub and pogo pin connector. It supports an inverted layout system via intuitive rail mechanism and comes equipped with 3 pre-installed silent 4 wide 140 PWM fans, and frame radiators can be mounted at the front, top or side panel accompanied by ample space for additional fans. A VGA holder prevents CPU sag while cable management is streamlined with dual cable cards. In this case, accommodate one 5.25-inch drive and multiple HDDs or SSDs, expandable to 7 HDD or 16 SSD, and the fully widowed tempered glass side panel offers clear component visibility and toolless assembly, enhance user convenience. And friend, the Dark Base 701 wide emphasizes high airflow and performance, featuring fully perforated mesh panel ideal for case fans or water cooling setups equipped with 3 pre-installed silent wings, 4 wide 140 PWM fans, and space for up to 8 additional fans, and it meets the cooling demands of modern high-end system effortlessly. So friend, both cases compatible with additional accessories such as tool-free, decoupled with HDD Cage 2 for expanded storage option. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.